mo ang mga estudyante dito. Ang mga naglalito na nagalito. Doon mo kasi ako sila kulang mo sa kupyaron mo. Diyos na yung kapit. Dapat dito, estudyante later, magpapakatama nga nagalito. Wala pa makasal. Wala pa bili. Yan mo. Nagka-boy, nag-boy, nag-girl, nag-boy, nag-girl, hindi nyo napasok natin. Inunay sa around, the same na. But, secretly, do not be influenced. Joseph was not influenced by the people he lived with. Secretly. He stayed focused because of what lesson he learned his father taught him. Next. Joseph also learned how to obey authority and persevere despite of trouble or injustice. He learned how to obey authority. Alam mo, very important lesson. Wherever you go, whatever is your state of your life, it is important to obey authority. Ano sa bahay? Ang authority sa papa kay mama, pag sinabihan ka, obey. Muna bata kung sabihan sa papa na mama. Start. If in the home, you don't know how to obey papa and mama, astig ka. Later on, foolish na harap mo. You will also sa school, teacher, hindi ko pag-obey. Ay nag-start sa school. But if you obey, if you know how to obey authority, it will be well. Mag-progress ka kung sa medyo mag-progress ka sa spirit. Start. If you don't know how to obey authority, return ka lang. Mag-obey ka sa authority all time. Pagpagalitan, estudyante, maglaban sa teacher. Magiging kaya po ng certificate sa amin. Mabalik kayo sa certificate mo. Good moral character ko. Hindi ko. There is a need to, just like Joseph, to learn authority, to obey authority and persevere in trouble. So it says here, as he wrote, Joseph rose up to leadership. Under sa kay Potiphar, later on, under the jailer, he learned that God was in charge no matter what is happening around him. So God is the one who orders these things. So authority, God is the authority. Next. Now, what is God's purpose for dark times? What is God's purpose for this dark, troubled times for Joseph? Number one. The Father's primary purpose for adversity is to conform, to change us in the likeness of Jesus Christ. Mag-design na. Meaning, God permits darkness or trouble to you and to me because our character is not like Jesus. Our attitude, our character is different from Jesus. God is hoping that when He sends you, He permits trouble into your life, the result, there will be a change that you will become like Jesus in the time. Ang emulate, ang wish, this is like Jesus. So, the same, Joseph has no likeness with Jesus Christ. Different ang iya karakter. God permit this trouble to Joseph so that the result, the outcome, Joseph will demonstrate character the same of Jesus Christ. It happened. Next. Romans 8:29. Get that? Right? For from very beginning, God decided that those who came to Him, certainly Jesus came to Him, and all along, God knew who should become like His Son, so that His Son would be the first with many brothers. So, in Romans 8:29, pag nakita niya, your character is different. When you come to Him, He give you darkness and trouble so that the result of your character will be like Jesus Christ. So, God desires to mold. Di ba sa clay? You desired figure. God molds you and me so that our characters will be mirrored, will be the same with the nature of Jesus. So, the way Jesus thinks, ano gina-think ni Jesus? Sabi kong Sunday. What does Jesus think on Sunday? Jesus is thinking of the church. Ikaw yung kung Sunday gina-think mo, paano na kasi? Is ko kung ganyan ko. So it's different. What Jesus think will be the same with Jesus. What Jesus loved. What Jesus loved. Do you know? What Jesus loved? Sa mga children mo kanta, Jesus loved the little children. He doesn't hate children. Jesus loved sinners. Kaya makita mo mga adik o mga pag-out. Jesus loves them. So,